In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to use all of the features of Lovable and Replit completely for free. And by the end of this video, you have your own fully functional website created and hosted with no technical knowledge needed. And you can do this an unlimited amount of times. If that sounds good, leave a like, subscribe, turn post notifications on if you haven't yet. And if you have any questions along the way, just comment down below. I'm going to show you guys how to use all the features of Lovable, all of the features of Replit completely for free. And by the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own fully functional website and host it completely for free, like these type of websites that were created with Lovable. And you know, Lovable right now costs, to make for a pro account, costs $25 a month, and for a business account it costs $50 a month. And on the paid plans, they're very limited, right? You get 100 credits, you get 100 credits on the pro, 100 credits on the business, and 5 credits on the free. But I'm gonna show you how to use it, all the features of Lovable completely for free right now, and Replit completely for free. First, you're gonna go to google.com. Next, you're gonna go to the search bar and type in Ravo Dev. When you're here, you're going to scroll down, click on this link right here. It should say Ravo Dev. Next, you'll be presented with this page. From here, you're going to click on Try It Now. Once you're on this screen, what you're going to do is enter any email. So I'm going to enter an email. Once you select your email and it shows this green one that it's available, click on Sign Up. You'll be sent a 6-digit code to your email. Next up, you're going to go in your email. Once you're in your email, you should see a 6-digit code like this. You're going to take it and copy it. You're going to go back to the screen and copy and paste a 6-digit code in. Next up, you'll be presented with this screen. For the name, you can enter anything you want. For the password, you can enter anything you want as well. Next, press Continue. For your site, you enter any name you want. Choose something that's available. Once it's available, it'll show green like so. Click on Agree and Start Now. It's just setting up the environment for you. Wait for this to complete. Once it's loaded, you should be here. And then this is like just a tutorial screen. You can just click Next, 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 Finish. Next, you're going to click on this link right here, Ravo Dev CLI. Click it. If you're on a Mac, you're going to click this link. If you're on a Windows, you're going to click this link. If you're on a Linux, you're going to click this link. Since we're on a Mac OS, we're going to click on this link. Next, you'll be presented with this page. What you're going to do next is open up your terminal. Once terminal is open, you're going to click on this first link, copy it, go back to your terminal, paste it in, press enter. Next, it's going to install. Just wait. Okay, so we just installed the CLI that's basically all of Lovable and Replit's features. You'll be presented with something like this type of screen when you're done. Next, you're going to install this one next to part 2. So we pasted that second part in, press enter. You should see something like this. Since we already installed it, it says it's already installed, but for yours, it should say it's like a new installation. Next, copy this third link. This is just making sure that it's installed correctly. Press enter. It should say ACLI version some number. We're going to go back to that Ravo Dev page that we have here, and then we're going to go to step 2 now. We're going to go to the second part now. Generate API token, click it. You'll be presented with this page. It's sent another verification code to that email we used earlier. So we're back in our email. We're going to copy and paste the code. So we got the code. We go back to the screen, paste the code to log in. You'll be presented with this API tokens page. Click on this link right here, create API token. Name this anything you want. I named it something random. For the date, choose a date in the future. Click create. Next, keep this page open for now. You can see here that we just generated a brand new API token that allows us to create up to 20 million tokens every time we do this. So every time you do this, you can use up to 20 million tokens, which typically will last you maybe about 6 hours of vibe coding. And then you have to do this process again. Go back to your terminal. Type in ACLI space Ravo Dev space off space. If you've done this previously, you have to log out. So do log out. You can see logout was successful, but if you're doing this for the first time, type in ACLI, Ravo Dev, space, off, space, login. Press enter. For the email, you're going to input the email that we just used earlier. Next, for the API token, we're going to go back to that page where we just generated the API token. Click on copy. If you want to see the token, you can click this to see it as well. This will show and unshow the API token. Go back to your terminal, paste it in carefully, press enter. Next, once you see the authentication successful message, we've successfully set up our environment. Next, I'm going to show you guys how to create the website and host it completely for free. We're done with this API tokens page. We can close it. And these are just the commands that you have. I'll include all the links and everything in the description down below for your convenience as well. Okay, next let's create the website. So you can see here I created a completely empty folder, and I just named the folder Tech Kevin Website. In your terminal, type in cd space. Next, you're gonna just literally drag and drop the folder in like so. You can see it's an empty folder. Press enter. And now we're officially inside of our empty folder where we're going to create the website. Next, you're going to copy and paste this link right here, ACLI Ravo Dev space run, paste it in, press enter. If you've done everything successful up to this point, you should see something like this now. It's working in the directory of the Tech Heaven website directory. We recreated an empty folder. It's using the GPT model, the latest GPT model. If you want to switch models, all you have to do is click a /models, press enter. And from here, you can select the different model you want. Click / again, and then click on /YOLO and press enter. And you should see YOLO engage. This pretty much just skips auto confirmation so that it won't keep asking you do you want to confirm over and over and over again. To check the usage, do /usage. Press enter. You can see here, this is a completely brand new one. 0 used, 2,000 of these credits, which is equal to 20 million tokens. If you have an MCP, you can type in /MCP and integrate that as well. Since we're not going to do anything around MCPs, we'll just close that. Let's create the website. I'll create an example website to show you guys. So I'm back at the lovable.dev website. So we'll just click this website, for example. This is a completely random one. Click on view project, take this link from Lovable. So this is just an example front end. We'll create something like it. So you'll go back to your terminal and then time the prompt now. We'll type in this command, create me a React website similar to, and then we just literally pasted that link, that Lovable link in. Press enter. And now next you'll see it working. Just wait, don't touch anything. The website directory folder that we created is completely empty. And this is where it's going to literally create the website for us inside of here. You can see here it's literally working, and everything up to this point has been completely for free. Wow, you can see literally it's generating the entire project for us. You can see that all the files it's literally just generated right now. And it's literally going to create everything for us. And it looks like once you see this sort of like response message, it means it's done. It'll ask you what you want to do next. Or say continue till you are done. Oh, cool. So it's going to add more pages. So when I said continue till you're done, it's sort of like a broad message telling it to keep going, keep creating, you know? Okay. And it looks like we got this response message. I don't know how the website's going to look, but it gave us a local host link right here that we can use. Let's copy and paste that local host. We'll go back into the web browser, paste it in, and here's the website it created. Wow, not all the images are working, but we can just like update the prompt saying some images don't work or not working. I just literally told to fix it. Some images don't work, replace them all was the prompt that I typed in there. And it's literally going to download the images from free open source websites. Okay, so it updated it, and then it gave us a localhost link. Wow, and this is the complete website that it's completely done. You can see here it's literally just one page, but we could tell it to add more pages and so forth and so on. But what do you guys think? We can see here it's like mobile friendly as well. We gave it this link and we told it to create us something similar. So, and this was the result we got. I'm pretty happy because look, it looks very professionally designed. Okay, next up, I'm going to show you guys how to host the website completely for free. So we have this website up and running, right? And now we want to host it. What you want to do is go back to google.com, type in Vercel, click this first link, click on sign up and click on hobby, and then click your email to sign up and log in. Since we have an account, we're going to log in. Once you're successfully logged into your Vercel account, you should see something like this. What you're going to want to do is click on this add new, and then you're going to click on project. Now hold this page for now. You're going to go to github.com, sign up for a brand new GitHub account. So enter email, password, username, country, create account. Since we have an account, we're going to log in. Or if you want to sign up with Gmail or Apple account, you can do that to make it easier as well. Okay, once you created your GitHub account or you logged in, you should see something like this screen. You're going to click on this new button. Next, we're going to name this Lovable Test. Description, just leave it empty. Click on Create. For visibility, you can choose public or private. Next, you'll be presented of this screen. You can see here the Lovable Test directory was created. Just click on this one. You should see something like this, right? The Lovable directory that we created. What you're going to want to do next is click on Add File, and then you're going to click on Upload Files. Go back to the directory. You're going to copy and paste everything in, but don't copy this node underscore modules folder in. So we're going to copy and paste everything except that node modules folder. So we drag and drop literally everything except this node underscore modules folder, and just wait for it. And you can see here it's doing its thing. Once everything is successfully here, go down, click commit changes. Next, it will say processing your files. Just wait for this to complete. Okay, so we uploaded our entire website that we created basically with the Lovable features. This is the website we created. We're gonna go back to the Vercel, and you can see here that the Lovable test that we just uploaded was successful. And you can see just now, click on import. Next, click on deploy. So now we're deploying the website that we created. Okay, and you can see successfully deployed. Click continue to dashboard. Next, you should get a link here. Let's click it, see if it works. Click that link. Next, you'll get this link. Let's click and see if it works. Wow. So there we go. This was the website that we created completely for free with literally 1 to 2 prompts. I showed you guys how to create the website. I showed you guys how to set up the environment. I showed you guys how to use all the features of Lovable on Replit completely for free and host it completely for free. And this is a live website. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a like, subscribe, and turn post notifications on if you haven't yet. And then I'll see you guys again in the next video. Also, comment down below if you have any questions and I'll be happy to help you along the way.